Then up. Very good. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up your finger. Breathe down the other finger. Very good. Say one emotion that you learned in your Mindful Maddie book today.
Sad. Angry. Happy. Embarrassed. Happy. Sad.
Everyone show us your sad faces. Show your best happy face. All right, I need a volunteer to read the name of this mini story. All right. What is the name of this mini story? Feeling Blue. Very good. All right, boys, settle. All right, do you want to read this part?
This afternoon, Maddie is feeling quite blue.
Go to the next one.
Whenever this happens, she knows what to do.
What is Maddie feeling?
Blue.
Blue. What's another word for feeling blue? Just say it out loud. Sad. Feeling sad. On the stage. Can anyone predict or make a guess about what might happen with Maddie on the stage? Make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen? What emotions do you think she might be feeling on the stage? Lane. Maybe she's feeling scared. We're going to read and find out. Write 5 senses in the center. Very good. Hold your hand up so I can see your 5 senses is written. All right? That's okay. That's perfect. Perfect. All right. What do you think we're going to write on each of these fingers? What are we going to write? Our 5 senses. So, what is the first one? Let's do them together so we don't miss any. What is one of our 5 senses? Feel, or let's say touch. So on one hand, one finger, doesn't matter which one, write touch. T-O-U-C-H. Touch. So everyone write touch on one finger. Once you have touch written, wave your hand in the air so that I know you're done. Taste. That's the one we really love, right? Taste. Everyone should have touch and taste written. Once you have those written, wave your hand so I know you're done. Good. What's the third sense that we have? Smell. Hearing, very good. Hear, H-E-A-R. Hear, let's put hearing. Here. I-N-G. And the last one. What is our last sense of sight? I just said it. What did I just say? Eyesight. So write sight. Listen up. S-I-G-H-T. Very good. Do we have our 5 senses on our hand? When you have your 5 senses? Wave. Now find someone across the room and wave to them from your seat. That's all right. Just put your name on it, and then we'll start with the second part.